Length is a measure of the distance between 2 points. Perimeter is a measure of length. It's the distance all the way around the outside of a figure.
Like this rectangle. The perimeter of this rectangle is the total distance around all the sides. This rectangle has sides of 4 inches, 2 inches, 4 inches, and 2 inches. By the way, the longer sides are described as the length, and the shorter sides are described as the width.
The perimeter of this rectangle, then, is the sum of all the sides. So that's 4 inches plus 2 inches plus 4 inches plus 2 inches. That's 12 inches. The perimeter, the total distance all the way around the outside of the rectangle, is 12 inches.
We can measure the perimeters of triangles too. The perimeter is still the sum of all the side lengths. For this triangle, x plus y plus z equals the perimeter.
Okay, we've pulled out our trusty ruler and measured the sides. 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 8 centimeters. Add them together. 5 plus 5 plus 8 equals 18. Don't forget your units, centimeters. The perimeter is 18 centimeters.
You can measure the perimeter of any closed figure, no matter how crazy the shape or how many sides it has. Just measure the length of all the sides and add them all together. Don't forget the units you're using, which could be inches, centimeters, feet, meters, etc.
Oh, you're the hot dog eater! Feel the magic! Listen, friends, if you want to compete in professional hot dog eating, then you need to use a hot dog that is regulation size. That means a perimeter of 26 inches, including the bun. Anything less, and you're not only cheating the sport, you're cheating yourself! I'll see you at the stand!
Area.
Area is the measurement of the space contained within a figure.
The area of this rectangle is the size of the flat surface within the sides.
We measure the area of a figure in square units. No matter what unit of measure you use, the area is in square units. For example, if you measure a rectangle in inches, the area is expressed in square inches. Or, if you measure a triangle in, say, centimeters, the area of the triangle is expressed in square centimeters.
Let's look at this rectangle. The length of each of these longer sides is 4 units, and the length of each of these shorter sides is 2 units. Why are we saying units? Because, to demonstrate, we don't need to be concerned with the specific unit, just that it is a length unit.
Okay, look at this square. It's 1 unit long, 1 unit wide. We call it a square unit. Now let's fill up the space in this rectangle with squares, the square units. We start here on the bottom row. We can fit 1 square unit there, 1 square unit there, 1 square unit there, and 1 square unit there. That's 4 square units. We have another row to fill in up top. 1 square unit there, 1 square unit there, and 1 square unit there. That's 4 more square units.
How many square units is that total? 8. 8 square units. That means the area of this rectangle is 8 square units.
Here's something important and pretty cool to notice. The area of the rectangle equals the length multiplied by the width, or length times width. See? The length is 4 units and the width is 2 units. 4 times 2 is 8. Remember that our units are always square units for area, so we have the area as 8 square units.
Okay, the area of a rectangle is length times width, expressed in terms of square units.
We must not neglect triangles, my measuring mavericks. We can also find the area of triangles thanks to another wonderful formula.
The formula for finding the area of a triangle. It's 1/2 base times height.
Here's our triangle from a few minutes ago, the one with the lengths of its sides 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 8 centimeters. We said that this side, the one 8 centimeters long, was the base. Well, any side can be the base, but we'll use this side. We also happen to know the height, which is 3 centimeters. Note that the height forms a right triangle to the base.
A right triangle is a triangle that contains a 90-degree angle. This is a right triangle, and this is the 90-degree angle in that right triangle.
Here's our original triangle again. See how the height and the base form a right angle? Okay, we know the base and we know the height, so we can find the area. Again, the formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. For this triangle, it's 1/2 times 8 times 3. Well, 8 times 3 is 24. 24 times 1/2 is 12. So, we need to remember our square units to get our official answer. The area of this triangle is 12 square centimeters.
Area is the measurement of the flat surface contained within a figure, expressed in square units. The formula for the rectangle is length times width. The formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height.